Welcome to my review of Middleman, a website builder designed for both beginners and experienced developers. In this video, I'll take you through my personal experience with Middleman, from setting up the platform to managing and customizing a website. Middleman is known for its simplicity and flexibility, offering a streamlined process for creating websites. The user interface is clean, with a clear focus on helping users organize content and control the design elements of their site. The platform allows you to create static websites, which makes it a good choice for those who need speed and performance. Middleman is built with a focus on Ruby, so developers familiar with the language will find it easy to use. If you're new to Ruby, there are plenty of resources and tutorials available online to help you get started. One thing I found really useful about Middleman is its built-in support for content management, templating, and asset handling. These features make it easier for you to work with media files and organize the structure of your website without too much hassle. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. When it comes to performance, Middleman is quite fast. Since it generates static files, the sites load very quickly, which can significantly improve your site's SEO. Additionally, it offers an excellent way to manage website content with Markdown, making it super easy to add and update content regularly. For those who want even more customization, Middleman integrates well with a variety of plugins, which can help add new features to your website. You can find many tools and extensions that can take your site's functionality to the next level. The community support for Middleman is also strong, so if you run into any issues or need advice, there's always someone out there to help you. However, I will mention that Middleman may not be the easiest option for beginners who want a drag-and-drop interface. The platform requires a bit of coding knowledge, especially if you want to fully utilize its capabilities. But for developers or those willing to learn, the flexibility it offers is definitely worth the learning curve. If you're looking for a tool that offers control over every aspect of your website and you're comfortable with a bit of coding, Middleman could be a great choice. Overall, I recommend it for developers, technical users, or anyone who appreciates working with a more hands-on approach to website building. Remember to check out the description for links to more helpful resources. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my future reviews. Thanks for watching.